We are finally back with a quick video on Malcolm's OAAU. If you want to learn more about it, check out the website that I linked in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want more. What's up, family? Today I'm back to talk about a lesser known part of the life of Malik Shabazz, aka Malcolm X. All of us have heard of Malcolm X. Most of us have not heard of the Organization of Afro-American Unity, or OAAU. The OAAU was created by Malcolm X and others, including John Henrik Clark. The OAAU was modeled after the Organization of African Unity, which Malcolm sought to work with. The OAAU was founded June 24, 1964 in Harlem. This is after Malcolm's trip across Africa that saw him distance himself from the NOI. The aim was to reshape the integrity of the black community and to encompass all of the Western African descendant cultures into one organized front. Malcolm wanted independence in education, economics, and overall to reshape the entirety of our culture. He also wanted to seek political representation by foreign African allies to offset the neglect from the United States political scene. After Malcolm's assassination the next year, his sister Ella Little Collins would lead the Organization of Afro-American Unity. However, without his presence, it would soon dissolve. The OAAU was the blueprint for many groups centered on black independence that would follow. The source material is very interesting for people searching for solutions to issues in the black community. And as always, it is in the link below. Like if you're feeling the content and subscribe if you want more. Let me know what you think of the OAAU in the comments. Peace.